Good morning.
Morning. Oh, look at all that. Awesome.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I like your background, Mrs. Cruz.
Thank you. I'm in outer space.
Hold on 1 second.
All right, everybody mute up so I don't hear everything going on in your house. Our Zoom call expectations. We are going to participate and you're doing such a good job at that. So thank you guys. Respect. Please be nice, kind, respectful. On time. Thank you. You're awesome. Stay muted until I tell you to unmute. And I include your name in the chat or change your Zoom name and stay in your spot for S. And my favorite one, eyes on the computer where all the magic happens. Okay, those are our Zoom call expectations. And here is our birthday. So we have 2 birthdays we are celebrating in the month of October. We have Ania and Ariana. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. All right, let's move on. And our weekly spotlight, you have been waiting for this because this changes every week. Now, our 3 friends that we are celebrating today, let's see who they are. Look at the screen. It's Blake. Blake for being our awesome promise Zoom keeper. Awesome Zoom promise keeper, yes. And Ava Marie for amazingly detailed responses. That means she doesn't write one-word answers. She explains herself, okay, and using her vocabulary words. I had a great suggestion. Keep a list of your module vocabulary words real close to you. So when you're writing your responses, you know how to spell them and you know what words to use. All right, Jackson, working hard, turning in his work. Good work, man. Love it. Keep up that great work. And hopefully we'll see some new friends next week. What are we doing today, Miss Cruz? I'm looking for eyeballs at the screen. Who's not looking at the screen? Somebody's not. I saw her. Today I will navigate the hundreds chart. Hold up your hundreds chart. Let me see your hundreds chart, my friends. Yay, we're going to do this together. I'm so excited. Okay, today we will navigate our hundreds chart. Put it off to the side. I want you to put it off to the side. Don't even look at it until we're ready, okay? Turn it upside down. Don't look. And so we will learn how to add and subtract ones and tens from any number. I know I have it when I can use my hundreds chart to count on or count back from any number. I will be able to count on tens and ones and know how to use it. Next steps. Oh, you're going to love this. You are going to mentally, without any clues or help, can't even ask your cat, how to find 10 more or 10 less from a 2-digit number without having to count or look at anything. You'll just know it. All right, so that's what we're going to work on next. Let's talk about our hundreds chart real quickly. Okay, this is just a few slides and you're going to see some magic happen on your screen. I want you to watch carefully so we can learn how to use our numbers chart. All right, everybody's got their numbers chart, but nobody's looking at it because they're going to look at mine. Mine is so cool. And yes, I saw this when I was a little kid. I didn't know what to do with it. I don't know what direction to use. I didn't know which way to go. Well, guess what? Let's find out. Our question is, how do we use this chart to answer or solve math problems? Which way do we move? Let's find out. So each row, let's look at our row, and this is important. I'm going to tell you, if your eyeballs aren't glued to the screen, you're going to miss something special. Each row, let's follow my cursor and look at each row. That is a tens rod. Look, turn your head sideways. Doesn't that look familiar? Yes, that's a tens rod. It's a 10. Did you know that a hundreds chart is really just a giant number line? Yes, if we stretched this out, if we stretched it out from 1 to 100 or keep going, it would go from your front door all the way out your back door. That's right. Instead, we try to organize it. And we cut it up into tens. So we have our first 10, our second 10, our third 10. And what are they doing? They're stacking like pancakes, right, Prisha? Give me a thumbs up if you agree. They look like stacked pancakes. That's right. Each 10 is stacked on top of each other. It's just to keep it organized, okay? Now, how do we use this when we are adding tens? Watch carefully. We add tens as we go down. Oops, let's see that again. Did you notice? Check it out, Larissa. We're adding tens. Boom, boom, boom. Each time we add a 10, we actually go down the hundreds chart. If you know something about place value, you'll notice as you go down, as you sink down, your tens place is growing. But what happens if we want to go subtract? If we want to take away, if somebody runs into Arna's room and says, "Can I have a 10?" and they take it away from her, watch what will happen. Watch carefully. Look at the screen. Look. Whoop. Did you see it? We went up. It disappeared. Did you watch that? Can you see it one more time? Watch one more time. Whoop. Oh, you missed it. One more time. Last time. Look at the screen. Watch it go away. Whoop. It disappeared. We go up. You'll notice as you slide up the hundreds chart, you're losing tens. The tens will start going backwards, right? The numbers will start counting down. So that's how we add and subtract tens. We slide up or down. Look at that. Whoop, bye. Now, how do we solve a math problem using a hundreds chart? Well, find the baby one. We say our equation is 3 plus 10. So everybody grab your hundreds chart as fast as you can and find the number 3. Put your finger on it, your cute little finger, stick it on there. And we are going to drop 110 down. Here we go, Larissa. We're going to drop 110. Ooh, one stack of pancakes down. And what do we land on? Oh, we landed on 13. Yeah, that's right. Let's do it one more time. Everybody do it again. Put your finger on 3. Put it back up on the 3 way up at the top. And we're going to slide one stack 10. And we're going to go straight down. And what do we land on? The 13. That's easy. It's just stacking another set of 10. That means we could start at any number. And if you'll notice, from 3 to 13, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is a 10, but just go straight down. We don't want to have to count every single chocolate chip on the way. Not every baby. We just slide down. Let's try it with this guy. Everybody find 34 as fast as you can. 34 is in the 4 column because it ends with the baby 4. That one's place 4. Slide down till you get to 34. Keep your finger on it. Are we ready? Slide 1, 10 down. Let's take another stack of pancakes and go down. What do you land on? Yes, that's right, Jaden. Good work. You land on the 44. Notice that the tens place grew one more 10. Did the babies change, Larissa? Thumbs up if the baby ones changed. Thumbs down. That's right, guys. They did not change. So we were only simply adding 1 10. Let's move on to subtraction. Can you find this number as fast as you can? 89. Now 89 ends with a 9. So I'm going to go to my nines column and slide down till I find my 8 10s, 9 1s. And now the instructions. This is your mom talking right here. It says, take away 110. Does she sound like that? I hope not. Take away 110. Okay, here we go. Remember, when we subtract, it's going to get smaller. Yeah, if you give away things, you have less. So let's watch how as we subtract 110. Watch your finger. Take away a stack of pancakes. Can we do that one more time? Look at my screen. Watch it go. One more time. Let's do it one more time. One more time. You'll notice we used to have 8 10s. We slid up a 10. We took away a stack of pancakes, a 10, and we landed on 7 10s and 9 1s, which is 79. Okay, let's move on. Now, anybody recognize this friend? Anybody recognize him? Almost.
It's a baby 1.
That's right. Okay, yeah, he's stuck over there on 31. Let's talk about this for a second. Thank you. Each column is a ones unit. So if we go to the 1 at the top, the whole column is our ones. Every single one ends with a 1. Look at that pattern. Remember we talked about patterns? Look at the 2 column and go straight down adding 10s. You'll notice that it's all ending in 2. Every single one has baby 1s in that has 2. And the same is true for every single one of those columns. Take any one of them and slide down. You'll notice they all end the same way. Because remember, when we add 10, we're not doing anything to the ones place. It says plus 0, right? A 10 is 1 and a 0. So we're really not changing the ones place at all. That's why they stay the same, Miss Cruz. That would be like you just putting on costume after costume after costume. You're still the same person. You maybe just add something else to you. All right, so let's watch our baby as we slide our ones. Wait a minute, did you guys see this? What's he doing? Oh, Benito, put it down. Watch. Just watch for a minute, please. Here he goes. What did he just do? Our ones place, when we're adding ones, looks different. How are we moving on our hundreds chart when we are adding just some ones? Who wants to show me with their hands? Are we going up and down or side to side? Christina, which way are we going? Yes, look at the baby ones move one more time. You'll notice that he is sliding to the right. And if we subtract, where do we go? Whee! Slides to the left. Well, why does that happen? Because if you remember, if we're just adding little ones, it's not a 10 yet. So we can't slide down unless we're awfully close to the end of the row. Now, this is the 30s row, right? You've got all the 30s, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Now, if he was at 39 and he needed to add some more ones, he would slide to the right. And then where'd he go? Is he going Publix? Where's he going?
41.
Oh, yes. He would go to
40.
the next column down because now
41.
he's adding another 10. All right. So as he grows, he will continue to slide until he moves to the next set of 10s. So how do we do that? Let's find 35 on our hundreds chart as quickly as you can. After this, we are going to start on our Nearpod. So let's try it. He is stuck on 35. Here he is. He's cute. 35 is in the 5 column. Find your 5, slide down to 35, and put your baby finger 1 on it. Everybody using it? Ava Marie, where's your hundreds chart? Where is it? Okay, Julian's ready. Now, our first problem says, add 2 more ones. Now that means we're not adding pancake 10s. We're going to slide to add 2 more ones. Watch the baby on the screen. Watch him. He added 2 ones. If we subtract, we go backwards. Can you guys try it again? One more time. 35 plus 2 more jumps to the side. 36, 37. Good work. Now 37, take away 2. And he slides backwards. Isn't that cool? I love our baby ones. Now, for those people who love math so much, you might have a combination. You might have to go and add a 10 and then move to the side to add some more baby ones. An example of that would be 35 plus 12. Oh, so I'm at 35. I'm going to drop a 10 and then slide to the side 2 more. Oh, it's a combination of movements. I like that. Guys, it's time to Nearpod. Here we go. Let's practice what we just learned about how to use our hundreds chart to help us solve math problems and equations. We'll have to figure out whether we need to move up, down, side to side. And you're going to have your hundreds chart ready so that you can answer the questions on our Nearpod. I will type in the chat our code 6YW2I. There it is, 6YW2I. And I'm going to stop sharing so I can pull it up for us. And you can watch it on our screen. 6YW2I. I'm looking for it. Gotta find it. Okay. Siddharth, do you see the code in the middle of my screen? Yeah, awesome. I love it when things go just right. 6YW2I. And let's see how many friends. I don't have any friends yet. They're joining. Oh, my Zoom keepers are amazing today. I love you guys. I think I have 11 friends already. Wow, that is so awesome. So again, we are going to practice using our hundreds chart to solve math problems, addition and subtraction. So we're going to quiz you and you're going to help me. So we're going to have a little problem we need to solve. All right. The code is up at the top of my screen, 6YW2I. It's also in the chat. You can join it anytime. And we're going to do our Nearpod together, okay? So we're almost done, guys. This is going to be so fun. How do we use a hundreds chart to add and subtract? Well, if you had worked on your hundreds chart, you might have noticed a pattern. That's right, where a pattern is something that happens over and over and over again. So every time we were adding tens, we were dropping down over and over again. And the ones places would always stay the same. And every time we were adding baby ones and sliding side to side, the pattern was the tens place seemed to stay the same, but the ones were growing and changing. Let me check that. Good work. All right, my loves. So now that we remember, hopefully, our patterns, we will know which way to move when we are needing to add or subtract. So one more time. On the blue bar, it says add and subtract tens. We slide down to add a 10. We slide up to subtract. Adding ones, remember our baby ones, they slide side to side. Notice that the tens place stays the same, but the ones are growing. Well, I have a video we're going to watch. And this is a ridiculously silly video that I made a few years ago. Some of you might have already seen it. I'm going to share my sound. My sons and I made this hundreds chart wrap to help us remember how to move. So it's really short. Watch and enjoy.
A hundreds chart is where it's at. I slide to add and to subtract. The patterns I see can clearly show up or down, side to side. Now here we go. I slide up to take a 10. I slide down to add more. I slide up to take a 10. I slide down to add more. A hundreds chart is where it's at. I slide to add and to subtract. The patterns I see can clearly show up or down, side to side. Now here we go. Slide left to take a 1. Slide right to add more 1. I slide left to take a 1. Slide right to add more 1. A hundreds chart is where it's at. I slide to add and to subtract. Subtract. Subtract.
All right. Told you it was silly. So that was our fun when we were teaching our students each year how to use our hundreds chart. Slide down to add a 10, take your stack of pancakes and just slide straight down. Slide side to side, left and right to add and subtract ones. So once again, adding or subtracting tens up and down, adding ones side to side. So if you're adding, the numbers should grow. So that's a good hint. If the numbers are not going up and they're going down, but you meant to add, you might have to go the other way. Anyway, just a pro tip. Here's our game. You're going to need your hundreds chart ready to go and this Nearpod. We're going to help Jack get home by using our hundreds chart to solve. Each time we go to a screen, you'll see Jack lost. Poor Jack the pumpkin. He's going to be lost in some strange place, and all he wants to do is get back home to his friends at the pumpkin patch. We have to help him. The only way to help him is if we solve the problem using your hundreds chart, not your brain, not your mom's toes. Use your hundreds chart. And that means go to you find the number and then slide up, down, or side to side to find it. Then choose your answer. You're going to have to go quickly. Okay, it's okay if we don't get it right. This is just practice and getting you ready for our exam. Here we go. Let's help Jack. Okay, first problem. Jack is stuck in an airplane. Find the missing number on your hundreds chart. Start with your 10 and slide down. 10, 20, 30, 50. What is the missing number? Find your answer in 10, 9, 8. Ooh, look at all these answers. 7. Yes, very good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you put your finger on 10 and slide down? 10, 20, 30, 40. Oh, it's 40. Yay, Jack, move off the airplane. Where are you going next? Uh-oh, where's Jack now? Uh-oh, Jack is going to be, oh, he's sitting on a drum. She's going to hit him with her drumstick. He better get out of there. He's going to be pumpkin pie. Find the missing number. Find 47. That means go to your sevens column, straight down to 47. And now this time, notice that it is adding ones. 47, 48. Ooh, which way are you going? 49. What is the missing number? I noticed a pattern. Let's see how we did. 10, 9. Yep, I like it. 8. Let's see down here. 7. Ooh, look at this one, Prisha. Try again. And, oh, very good, Siddharth. 5. Oh, try again, Vashvik. 3, 2, 1. Put your finger on 47 and start sliding to the right. You're going to make the numbers grow one at a time. So the baby ones are moving to the side, 47, and then 48, and then 49. And then what comes right after 49 but 50? If you got to 50, you saved him. Let's get him off of that drum, that marching band. Where is he going next? Uh-oh. What's he doing down there? What if the sharks come? Oh, he's in a coral reef. We need to get him out of there. All right, everybody, find 23 on your hundreds chart. Put your finger on 23. Where is your hundreds chart? Yes, slide to add. Wonder which way you need to go to slide to add one more. Just one more unit. One more one. Are we going up, down, side to side? Let's see how we did. Oh, my goodness, I'm nervous. Yes, Adeline. Good. He won't be stuck in the water much longer. Joshua, great, great job. Let's see who is Larissa. Beautiful. And let's see who's this. Siddharth. Almost. Let's look at almost and then Siddharth's. Wow. Yes. So everybody, let's try it together. Put your finger on 23. Quick. That's in the 3 column. Slide down to 23 and let's add one more one. One more tiny little crying one. And land on 24. Michael, try that again. Yeah, good work. Slide one more one. That's the instructions. Remember, the equation is like your mom telling you what to do. So you need to pay attention. Here comes the next one. All right, so he's out of the water. Where is he now? Oh, no. He's going to get sick. How do we solve this problem? Everybody put your finger on the 3. And it says to add 110. Which way do we move? I think we did this in our practice. Pretty sure you're using your hundreds chart. I don't see it. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Put your finger on the 3 and add 1 stack of pancakes down. 1 full 10.
I don't see the other question.
You don't
I
see
just
the.
see.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's 3 plus 10. It's right over the picture. 3 plus 10. So put your finger. Yep. Put your finger on 3 and then slide down 1 10. All right, here we go, guys. Let's see our answers. Are we going to get him off the roller coaster before he gets sick? Oh, yes, very good. I like this. Everybody knows how to slide down 1 stack of 10. That's wonderful. Look at everybody. Let's get him off this roller coaster. His guts are going to come out. Get him out of there. Where is he now? Oh my goodness, he's on Mount Everest. I don't think he likes to be that high. He doesn't look very happy. Let's help him solve the problem. Everybody, it says, Mom is telling you the equation is your mother. Remember, she better pay attention. 32, we have to find 32 first, minus 110. Uh-oh. Now, how do we move when we subtract a 10? Do we go down? Do we go up? What do we do? Gonna eat that pancake. Let's see how we did. Oh, Adeline, fabulous. Jaden, very good. They know how to slide up to subtract a 10. I wonder what would happen. Oops, Larissa, just slide straight up. I bet you'll find a different number. If you're on 32 and you slide straight up to take a whole stack of 10, gonna find a different number. Michael, wonderful. Let's look here at Vashvik. Beautiful. Guys, you just slid up. That's right. Take 1 whole pancake away and slide up 1 spot. Don't move side to side because it didn't have any ones that we needed to add or subtract. The number 10 only has 1 10 and 0 1s. So we don't touch the ones. Let's move on. Wonderful. You guys are rocking this. Okay, let's go on. Great, we got him off of, oh no, we got him off of the mountain and look where he ended up. Oh, how horrible. Okay, let's look at this one. We're gonna add a 10. We're gonna go to 10 and add a 10 and then add another 10. What? How do we move when we have to add a 10 and then another 10? Wait a minute. Okay, let's take this one step at a time. It says, Mom's instructions say, find 10, put your finger on it, add 1 more 10, and then add 1 more 10. What are you gonna land on? Are we sliding up, down, side to side? What are we doing when we add 10s? Wow, Benito, awesome. Let's see, let's look at Jackson's. Yes, very good. So if your finger was on 10, you'd slide down 1 10 and then another stack of pancakes straight down to add another 10. Fabulous, Prisha. Let's look at C darts. Yes, Almo, wonderful. Michael, beautiful. Yes, we better hurry up and get him out of the oven. Johnny, I agree. If you started on 10 and you added a 10 and another 10, you would land on 30. That's right, Julian. Let's see who else. One more person, one more person. Who else? Let's look at Josh's. Very good. Okay. All right, Miss Cruz. Yeah, get him out of there. Let's see where he goes now. What? I'd be happy at the beach. He doesn't look as happy as I would be. Whoopsie. Hold on. Mouse decided to run away. Let me put my mouse back together. Okay, while I was catching my mouse, how did we do? It says, oh, it's a word problem. I have 8 shells. Everybody find 8. And then I find 10 more. 1, 10 more. Oh, I know this. What did Miss Cruz say? 110? Just need to move 110 down. Ah, so how many shells does he have? Let's get him home. Let's see what we have done. If you went to 8 and you slid down one more 10, you would land on 18. Benito, you rock. Let's look at Adeline's. Yes, awesome. Jaden, beautiful. Slide 110 down. Just go to 8 and slide 1 down. Yeleni, I'm looking at yours. Where is yours? Don't see it here. Are you unable to play, Yeleni?
I am in up.
You're up. Let me look.
Here, inside game.
Oh, I see it. I see it. Awesome. Thank you, my love. Okay, let's see. Anybody else? Ava Marie. Fabulous. Let's look down here at Precious. Fabulous. That was so easy. Just go to 8 and drop down 110.
Look at mine. Wait. Can you look at mine?
I don't know who's talking. Let me see. Let me see who it is. Who
Me.
is it? Who's me? Say your name.
Worship.
Vashvik?
Yeah.
Okay, mute up and I'll show you. Mute, mute, mute. Here we go.
Look at my smile.
Okay.
Make him happy every time.
Thank you. Remember your promise. Shoo, 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 shoo. Thank you. Here comes the next one. Okay, my love bugs. You did awesome, guys. Now, he was at the beach. Did we get him off the beach? Yes, we did. Where's he going now? Uh-oh. Olmo. He's going to fall. Help him. All right, everybody go to 95. The old man. That's in the 5s column. Start at the 5 in the very top. Where's your 5 at the top? Where is top? Top, 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 Jules. Go to the 5 at the very top. Top, top, top. Go up to the top of this page. Way up at the top where there was 5. You're not looking at the top of the page. There. Now drag your finger all the way down till you find 95. All the way down there, find your 95. Oops, you went to the wrong column. Stay in your 5s. Oops, you're not in your 5s anymore. Stay in your 5s. I know. But if you do, listen very, very carefully. Okay, go up to the top. Oh, he found it. I love you. You're so awesome. Okay, now it says to add one more stack of pancakes, one more 10. What do you land on? Write your answer. Very good. That was a great lesson, Julian. You helped us understand how to find a number. You can find the number very easily by going to see what is in the ones place. So 5 is in the ones place. That means that I'm in the 5s column. And then 95 means I have 9 10s, 5 1s. So if I stay in the 5s and I slide all the way down to grab 9 10s, that's almost at the bottom of the page. That's your starting point. Okay, 95. And then we add one more 10. Let's see how we did. All these answers, 105. You guys know how to slide. What was that? Ben, check it. Check your answer. We're adding one more 10. Oops, check your answer, Jackson. Remember, start at 95 and it says to add one more 10. Check your answer, Michael. Everybody go to 95 and slide down one spot. Let's look at Julian. Did he find it? Let's see. Go find it. Oh, Vashvik, very good. Siddharth, amazing. Prisha, fabulous. Almo, wonderful. Jaden, fantastic. Let's get him out of there. Very good. London, write the answer, please. Benito, wonderful. And let's see if we had a couple people that were changing their answer. If you're on 95 and you slide down one stack of pancakes straight down like a raindrop, just fall right down, you'll land on 105. All right, that's adding one more stack of 10. Don't have to move side to side, you move straight.
Right to the middle. Right to the bottom and see the one with Julian Johnson.
Okay, well, Jackson, you need to change your answer. And Joshua's. Okay, let's move on. Oh, Julian, I see you. You didn't submit it yet. That's why it says in progress. Okay, good work, guys. On your mark, get set. Let's move him out of there. Oh my goodness, we're almost done, guys. No, this is not a good place for this pumpkin. Help him. Okay, it says to start at 49. Mom says find 49. That means go to the 9 column and put your finger on 49, and it adds one more baby 1. Oh, which way do we move for baby 1s? The 1s place. Let's see, Ava Marie. I wonder, Ava, do you think we move up or down or side to side? What do you think?
Down.
Yeah. Oh, down? Are you sure about that? Does it say plus a 10 or plus 1 little baby 1? Uh-oh. If it doesn't have anything in the 10s place, then we don't have to move up or down, do we? Look at that, Joshua. Nice job. Adeline, I agree. Oh, Jackson, beautiful. Let's look at Jaden's. Yes. Michael, you rock. Joshua's work. Yes, very good. Christina. Ooh, let's check that one more time. Christina, you moved down, but it never said to add a 10. It said add one more baby. Remember our hundreds chart and our little baby face slid side to side, not up and down. And 1 is simply one little unit. 1, 1. Oh, very good, Prisha. Yeah, he's not happy. Almo, fabulous. Let's move on. Siddharth, you're doing amazing. And Vashvik, great job. Okay, we need to get him out of there. We need to get him out of there. Where are we now? Uh-oh, if he crashes, you know what's going to happen to him, right? Yes. So we better get him out of that race car. He's not too happy. Now, this one's a little different. This says find 80. Take away 110. Do you guys remember what happens when we subtract a 10? I remember going down to add a 10. But what do we do when we subtract a 10? Take away a pancake. How are we going to do that? Adeline, kiss your brain. Amazing. Jackson, check your answer. Remember you, whoops. Thank you. Jackson, check your answer for me, please. Let's see. Johnny, I agree. Let's look at Christina's. Yes, perfect. Michael, fabulous. London, amazing. Larissa, check your answer for me. Try that one more time. Let's see. I'm looking at my green ones. They're all submitted and ready. Almo, wonderful. And Siddharth, yes, I agree totally. Vashvik, fabulous. All right, guys, let's see what they did. They went to 80. Find 80. You know where 80 is. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And it said to take away 1 stack. That means 110. So take your little finger and slide straight up 1 row. One row. Yeah, just slide up. And you land on 70. 70. All right, let's move on. We need to get him out of there. Great job, guys. Guess what? You did it. You did it. You did it. Everybody make pumpkin pie and eat it up. Yum, 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 yum. Make your jack-o'-lantern face. And I'm very proud of you guys. It's time to stop sharing. You helped Jack get home to the pumpkin patch. How did you do that? Well, you practiced using your hundreds chart, a new math tool to help you solve math problems. This is a game that you guys can play over after dinner or maybe before bed, and you can make your own character up and your family can come up with easy peasy lemon squeezy questions similar to those and see if you can help your character get home or out of trouble by solving using your hundreds chart. You need to be really good at determining whether you're sliding up, down, side to side. Take away a 10, add a 10. Take away a 1, add a 1. You need to know how to move your hundreds chart on your hundreds chart to solve, okay? And if you're not sure, you can practice this until you're so good at it, you're better than me. All right, my loves, guess what? We're done because I have small groups, and the small groups, we're going to have some more fun in learning a little bit more about tens, ones, that place value, hundreds charts, and solving math word problems. I think we're done. Anybody have any questions? Larissa?
So
No, I'm not a pumpkin.
I wasn't good.
What's your question? Hi,
I
guys.
actually something to tell you.
Yeah.
I like the background. How it has like it looks like the moon's right behind you,
I know. I can almost touch it.
but you actually can't because it's just the background.
That's right. I love you, honey.
I don't
I'll see you
like
soon.
background.
I know, but I have to go. I
Bye.
Bye.